we got fish dip, we have healthy wraps, and we have the sauce that's gonna make you the king or queen of this year's Super Bowl party.
With a neighborhood this close to the woods, people that live here have learned to watch out for wild animals.
The people behind the Crime Solvers program want you to be aware of not only what's on your plate, but what's below it.
Hey, and it's time to make the donuts and the turkey. I'm Gary Whittam. I'll tell you where you can get yourself some free coffee and turkeys coming up.
I'm Bubba. Bubba's 19 years old, which for camel terms is he's getting toward middle age. Oh, all right, I almost got kissed by a giraffe, Johnny.
What are you doing, Gary?
Hey guys, yeah,
we're
doing the Spider-Man, and I'm trying to get it down here.
Well, we're just about to wrap things up on Nittany Nation's Season of Change.
Throwing this away and not answering it could also mean 10 days in prison. So you might as well just fill it out.
A department honors one of its own killed in a recent car crash. That story coming up.